Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to clip raster using ModelBuilder in ArcGIS Pro. So let's get started. Here in ArcGIS Pro, the first thing I want to do is to bring in the data I want to use to demonstrate this exercise. So I will go to my catalog, and here I have my land use land cover. I'll just drag it into my map. Yes, here is my land use land cover map. The next thing I want to do is to bring in the boundary of my study area, which I want to use to clip this land use land cover. So I'll go back to my catalog. Then here I have my boundary shapefile. I'll drag and drop it on my map. Yes, I have this study area and I have land use land cover which is bigger than my study area. So to clip is to cut out your area of interest, and I want to do it in ArcGIS Pro using ModelBuilder. So to do that, come to Analysis and then click on ModelBuilder. This will open a blank model. Now that it has opened a blank model, what I need to do is to bring in the tools I want to use to clip this raster. And to do that, come to Geoprocessing tool. So here I can search for clip. Then come to clip raster under data management tool. So what I will need to do is to drag and drop the tool inside the model. Here is the tool inside the model. Then the next thing is to bring in the data or the data set. So I will bring in both the boundary and the land use land cover. So I'll drag the two into the model so I can arrange them. So the next thing is to add the data, the raster data, to the clip tool. To do that, I'll click and drag the data into the tool, and I'll click on input raster. So you can see that my raster has been added to the tool. Then here I will drag this boundary into the tool to indicate it as the extent. So to do that, I'll click and drag it. Then I'll indicate it as the output extent. Then the output raster dataset, I can rename it. To do that, just right click and click on rename. So I can rename it as clip, for instance. So now it's time to run the model. Before we run the model, you can equally validate your model by coming under ModelBuilder, click on validate. If there is error, you will find it here. So you can click on run to run the model. Alternatively, you can come to this tool, which is clip raster, right click and click on run to run the model. Yes, the operation is done. So I can close this page. Then to view the clip raster, come to this output, right click and click on add to display. When you do that, it will add it to display just as it is. You can see it has been added. So to view it, come to map, then uncheck the original data, and you can see our clip area or clip raster. So initially we had this whole raster dataset. Now I've clipped out my study area using ModelBuilder, so I can zoom to layer for better view. So you can see that it's even easier and faster to clip raster in ArcGIS Pro using ModelBuilder. If you have any question or challenge when carrying out this operation, let's know in the comment section. Kindly join our YouTube membership. Thank you for watching.